Alright, here we are. 131k. I'm gonna rip all 131 and see if I come even close to making my money back. Alright. Shit pack number 1. I've put in hundreds upon hundreds of dollars into this game. And this is all the packs are. Alright. Shit pack number 2. Collectible I could do absolutely nothing with because I've already collected it. Alright, third shitty pack. Most of these guys you can buy off of the store for 25 coins. So they decided to fucking load the packs with them. And that's, I believe, shit pack, number 6. 100 fucking K left. I'm gonna rip. Boom. Alright. Shit pack 7. I have yet to pull one of these elite collectibles. Or a legend player. I pull tons of 80 legends. Here, let's try it this way. Boom. As you can see, another shit pack. Let's try this one. Oh, Nick Foles, awesome. Brand new card that just come out today. He probably sells for 2 fucking K. Alright, as you can see, still shit. Stuff. Go play. Four times all pro, still shit. I mean, they should honestly be arrested for, look at this. It's probably my 3rd one today. Another shit pack. We're down to 56K. Absolutely nothing again. Not to mention I just busted a 15 pack with MSP. Alright. Nothing again. $41K left. Absolutely nothing again. Loaded with a bunch of cards I can go buy out of the store for 25 coins. That's gonna help me get my money back. Nothing again. I could pretty much open up 3 more packs. A collectible that sells for 2K. 19K left. Little Kyle Rudolph, I've always wanted him. Fuck. Foles collectible. Probably a couple K. My son's scooting across the floor there. And the last pack. There we go. There we fucking go. Hey Madden, EA, suck my dick.